I'm so pleasantly surprised that we have had this much snowpack because we really got to put these micro spikes to good use.
Do you want to get out on a winter hike this season? Well, so did I, and I did. Just this past weekend, myself and my hiking partner got out on the Sunset Peak Trail just outside of Pasadena, California. It was the second time on this trail, but the first time was when it was dry out, and now it was much more snowy, so we needed some new gear. So after looking on AllTrails and other hiking websites out there, we came up with 2 new items that we're gonna need to get out there and have some more traction and hike safely. So the first item was micro spikes. These ones are from Kahtoola and they're pretty cool. They just slip right over your hiking boots or sneakers. And the second ones were Trail Buddy hiking poles. So these 2 things combined together give you way more traction and they were so worth it. So today we're going to talk about our Sunset Peak Trail hike in winter conditions and let you know what we learned.
Here we go. Kalen taking the lead. So as everybody can see here, we came from a big snow area and then now it's all dirt again. And then we got more snow in the distance. So at the moment, choosing to stay with sneakers on and hiking poles to balance myself out, but not yet gonna put on for myself the micro spikes, which Kalen's gonna go with, just because I don't want to fully use them yet to kind of save them with the rocks and all that. But so far on the route today, it's been very patchy. Not until maybe like 30% of the way up did we see any snow. All right, so we kept on finding more and more snow patches and also passed a guy who had already summited, and he said that put on the spikes is the way to go. Spikes are on. Gonna go catch up to Caitlin up there. Poles and spikes, here we go. So the spikes are a world of difference to all you have not yet become initiated. I'm a first-time micro spikes guy, and here we are. As you can see again, there's a lot of breaks like that, so we're trying to walk in the snow as much as we can to reduce the wear and tear on the spikes and use those in the poles. And then as you hike this hike, as you've probably seen in my regular Sunset Hike Peak Trail video, you have amazing views of Mount Baldy, which in the last video was not covered with as much snow. I think it was a light sprinkling then. Couple months ago. Upward and onward. And you got those ranges in the distance. You kind of make a hard right and we're going up and up that way. On the top there is the peak. All right, so I'm so pleasantly surprised that we have had this much snowpack because we really got to put these micro spikes to good use. Walking with the micro spikes and the poles to make it so much easier. You really feel like a Spidey man or a Spidey woman out here. And yeah, we're almost up to the top, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna keep on enjoying this outdoor experience. So last time we went around the easy way. This time we're going up the short way. Helps to have spikes and poles, even on dirt.
Wow, those views are amazing. And as we were hiking that day, my partner kept laughing at me and saying, hey, you look so happy. And it was true. I truly do hiking. That's why I make all these videos, because I want to, 1, personally remember them, and 2, share the information with y'all here. And if you're all really enjoying this video, feel free to tap the like button. It helps so much for the work we do here at the Don't Want to Explore channel, and to share this video with other hikers like yourselves who might be looking to get out on their first winter hike and to hike this trail, the Sunset Peak Trail, just next to Pasadena, California. So thank you so much. Hopefully you're learning a lot, and let's jump back out on trail.
So lucky today. We got Baldy behind us there and we are headed down. As you can see, Kalen's back there. A whole bunch of snowpack here in this area. Obviously it's because it's in the shade. So if you choose to go up the fast way, it'll be all dirt because it's in the sun. But this back area here is still in the shade. So a good amount of snowpack. Probably could do with sneakers, but probably wouldn't be too much fun. So the micro spikes definitely help out. And if you want a more cruising and also a good workout, having the micro spikes and the poles has been great today. We're on the last part of the trail here, and I'm choosing to put my running sneakers back on. These guys definitely did the trip. As you can see, they're all nice and muddy. Got some leaves on the spikes. But going with the Catula and the Solomons were the way to go, especially in the downgrade. Neither Caitlin and I fell today, which we could not say the same a few years ago on our Colorado hike. We must have fell like 5 times each on our butts. It was not too much fun. We did not have micro spikes then. So now we're older and a little bit wiser, and we got the spikes. Check the links below and maybe grab them for yourselves as well. All right, that's it. Another one in the books. We finished. Now we're back to the dry road here, as you guys can see in front of me. Caitlin's ahead with the mountains. And yeah, as you probably catch in the notes earlier, if I said or did not, during the winter, this road where I parked like right here last time is closed off. So you gotta park down by the main road. And they say it's like a mile up and a mile down, something like that. But it's well-paved road, beautiful views, so it's not too bad to add on. And so I guess technically today in the winter we did not finish, but we did pass the yellow gates back there, which is again the marker in the summertime.
So the Sunset Peak Trail hike during winter time, it was great. I was so pleased with choosing that hike to get out there for our first winter hike using micro spikes and our hiking poles. Not only does it have great views, but it's a good intermediate hike. You definitely feel like you get a good workout in. So overall, it was an enjoyable experience. Hopefully you felt that too, watching there from the other side of the screen, and hopefully you learned something from today's video as far as the gear to get, as well as whether the Sunset Peak Trail hike would be a good first winter hike for you. So if you all enjoyed the video today, feel free to subscribe down below, hit the bell notifications to stay in tune to what videos are coming up next for us here at the Don't Winter Explore channel. We plan on making a ton more winter hiking videos, as well as other hiking videos and travel videos as we push further into 2022. And thank you so much for making this far in the video.
And we'll see you on the next video. Until then, don't forget to explore more.